that verily if Allah loves someone, inna Allah idha ahabba abdan, when Allah loves someone, nada Jibreel, Allah calls Jibreel alayhi salam and says, Ya Jibreel, inni uhibbu fulan. Oh Jibreel, I want you to know that I love this person, so you should love this person also. Jibreel alayhi salam does not need to know anything else about you except that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves you to love you as well. فَيُحِبُّهُ Jibreel. So Jibreel alayhi salam loves you as well. And then Jibreel alayhi salam calls all of the malaika, and he is their master, he is their chief. And he says, Inna Allah yuhibbu fulan, to the inhabitants of the heavens. Allah loves this person, so love this person. So all of the inhabitants of the heavens love that person as well. And then Allah mentions, يُوضَعُ لَهُ الْقَبُولُ فِي الْأَرْضِ. So the Prophet ﷺ says that acceptance is then placed in the hearts of the people for that person. Love is placed in the hearts of the people for that person.